I don't know if you can see her. She's outside. A stupid bitch. She's been going at it. It's been like maybe 30 minutes. It's just because I woke up. She's drilling, banging. I don't know what she's doing. Some stupid noise campaign, whatever. You want to see her face? I don't fucking care. I show her stupid face. I put her on face on YouTube. I don't fucking care about her. Okay, here she is. That stupid bitch. There you go. We don't even know who these people are because I have no neighbor there. Nobody lives there. Why would you make holes? So that's the car. Let's fucking get the plate number. There you go. So I don't even know who these people are, man. I mean, I have no neighbor on there, on the right side. Nobody lives there. I talked to her before starting the video. I told her, "Did you live there?" She told me no. And then she tells me, "Yeah, we're shooting some stupidness that they're shooting. Not shooting, I mean, they're repairing something." And I'm like, "Repairing what?" She's like, "We're drilling holes." And that you live there? She's like, "No." I'm like, "Okay, then what the fuck?" She's like, "Yeah, we're just making holes." I'm like, "And at this time, great fucking timing." There you see? I just went to go dress, and these stupid cowards, they disappear. Yeah. I went to go dress. And, to go outside to be able to shoot. To be able to fucking expose them. And they left. You see, the noise was even worse, way worse. Or else I wouldn't wake up for some. I wouldn't wake up for some stupid knocking and. You know what I mean? Like just a little bang bang in the wall. Oh, get out of here. We all saw worse than that. I don't know. They were making holes. You see, I showed you the car earlier, right there. It was parked. And now they disappear. They're fucking. These fucking. Gangstalkers, whatever. They disappear. Fucking cowards. Yeah, we can see their car over there leaving. Whatever. You know, Perp. Right on top. We can't leave. Fuck them. So that's what they do. The stupid noise campaign. Fucking cares. Gonna come at me in the morning like this. It's not the first time, but I don't even like. You see these walls? Let me show you the walls. See the walls? All they are. They're gonna come and drill. They made a hole out of that. They made a fucking hole. I don't know if you guys know what kind of tool you need to make a hole in the wall like that. But I can tell you one thing, that make a lot of fucking noise. One thing for sure, man. Next time I won't wait that long. I'm gonna go shoot that person right away. But what I mean by shooting is shooting with my camera. Well, either than that, it's still a nice morning. Thanks for watching.